Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I have a diamond painting unbagging to show you from GBFKE. I have some cute things here from them, and we'll get into them and we'll show them to you. They will all be linked below so that you can go find them quickly and easily if you like them. And of course, we want to thank GBFKE for letting me pick out a few things. Besides the diamond paintings I'm going to show you today, there's other things on my channel. If you're new here, peck around. And if you like to crochet or see yarn, I have videos that have yarny goodness in them, and I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons. If you're into books, I do a book discussion live every Tuesday night with my friend Brandy from Mystery Diamonds. So look around, see what else there might be out there that interests you. Okay, let's get into these and let's see what we have. Okay, first up, what do we have? We have a beautiful horse. Isn't it pretty? Super pretty. Let me zoom you in a bit because that's kind of far away. But how pretty is that? Just a really nice horse. We got some butterflies. We got lots of flowers around the horse. We got like some watercolorish effects behind the horse, which is really nice. It looks to be pinks and blues possibly, but we'll look at the drills to find out for sure. We have 8, 9, 10 different drills. Maybe half are special drills. Let's see, 30 by 30 size. I like this size. I get a lot of 30 by 30s. They're fun to like do other things with. You can embellish them, as I call scrapbook them. You can put them in a little 12 by 12 frame. They're just fun to work on. Okay, so yep, lots of pinks. All right, we have a light pink and a dark pink, a clear, a very light blue, a green. All right, and that was it for the rhinestones. Look at that. I love when they do this iridescent coating on these marquees. They're so pretty. They're picking up a lot of blues, but they're really a pretty green. And then there's a light green, also has the iridescent coating. Love that. Then we have a gold marquee, and we have a pink teardrop, and we have iridescent clear marquee as well. That should be really, really pretty. All right, so that's our first selection, a beautiful, beautiful horse. All right, what else do we have? Here is a toolkit. They all came with a standard toolkit like that with a pen and some wax. Oh, I like this one. This one, oh, I've got a couple here I really like. Okay, the watering can. The watering can full of beautiful flowers. I love this. I love the background of this with like the gingham plaid print, the butterflies, the beautiful flowers. Even the green watering can is pretty cool. Green and purple together is always an awesome combination. What do we got a lot of drills here. 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 6 special drills is what it would look like. I love that. All of this, the centers of these flowers, these petals are special drills on the butterfly. Oh, we have hearts. I can see where the hearts go. Oh, this will be fun. I love these colors together. I really, really love the purple green combination. All right, let's see our drills. What do we have? All right, let's start with some clear rhinestones. Green, purple, a deeper green, a lighter purple, a lime green, blue, some black, and yet one more purple. Okay, here's our special drills. Big round faceted gold, centers of flowers, of course. Iridescent faceted marquees in the clear variety. How about some in the purple variety? Love the purple ones. Here's our pink hearts. Those are super pretty. And then we have pink teardrops as well. That will be really fun also. You know, I'm loving, loving, loving the choices here. I am loving it. Okay. All right. On to our next one. In the same kind of vein, we have another container of flowers. This one's in a bucket, like the galvanized bucket. Pretty. Again, we have the gingham print background. We have the butterflies. We have all of these flowers in our bucket. And this one says, be kind. I love that. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different special or drills. And it looks like 5 of them are specials. 2 hearts. We have the A, which is a heart, and the B is a heart. Again, flower petals are special drills. Yeah, let's look at them. Okay, let's get into them. Aren't these pretty though? I think these are just, I really like these. Really, really like these. These would be fun to do in some sort of a scrapbook. Put them in a pretty white frame. They would look really nice. All right, this is a very pale, pale blue. It's hard to pick that up, but it's a pale, pale blue. Then we have this brighter blue, a light pink, a darker pink, a yellow, a green, kind of a tan color, and a gray. Now here's our hearts. So we have a smaller blue heart, larger pink hearts. Oh, these are cool. The smooth marquees and a very light pink. And then we have some faceted gold marquees and faceted blue marquees. These don't have the iridescent coating on them, but they're still very pretty. All right, so there's our paintings. And then, of course, you saw we had one thing in a box. You know, boxes are always fun. Good things come in the boxes. All right, what do we have? I forget. I don't know. Oh, super cute. Oh, my goodness. So cute. Okay, let's find our drills. All of our goodies in here. Here's our drills, our toolkit. Here's our stand to put it in. Peel the film off both sides. Little package of drills. He's adorable. He is so cute. Look at him. Merry Christmas in traditional Christmas colors of red and green. I have been doing a lot of non-traditional colors, a lot of pinks and things and blues, but hey, red and green. I'm so sorry. I cannot get rid of this. I don't know. Anyhow, there he is. Lots of special drills on here, on his scarf, on his hat. Oh, we have little bitty ones up here. I wonder if that's going to be one drill or a bunch of little, oh, let's find out. Let us find out what goes on that. It'd be great if they were like little flowers. That'd be cool. Let's see. All right, here we go. We have a reddish orange, green, clear, true orange. That's all of our rhinestones. Small, gold, faceted. Oh, look at these, lime green. Those are bright. Woo. Red, faceted. Those have iridescent coating on them. And look at, yes, they are good. Oh, that's so cool. They're a little tiny little flower. Isn't that cute? So I saw them in a few places. They go across the top of the hat here and all through his body. And there's a few peppered around there. That's going to be so cute. I love that one. I want to work on this one. This would be fun, fun, fun. Okay, so that's what we have, folks. We have our cute little snowman, kind of out of character for the other items that I picked out, right? So we got a snowman, and then everything else is very springy, summery, florally. It's fine. It is fine, just fine. Let's zoom you out. Yeah, super cute though, right? Super cute. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Please do those YouTube-y things like hit the like button, subscribe, and all those things, and I'll see you soon.